Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something straightforward but super useful: how to disable Wi-Fi on your Xfinity modem in 2025. Whether you're trying to cut down on wireless interference, enhance your home security, or simply switch to a wired connection for better speed, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to access your Xfinity modem's admin settings. Grab your computer or any device connected to your network and open a web browser. Type in the default gateway address, which is usually 10.0.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, and hit enter. If that doesn't work, check your modem's manual or look it up quickly online. Once you're on the login page, enter your admin username and password. If you haven't changed these, the defaults are often admin for both, but for security reasons, you should change yours if it's still set to default. After logging in, navigate to the Wireless or Wi-Fi Settings section. This might be under a Network or Advanced tab, depending on your modem model. In the Wi-Fi settings, look for an option to enable or disable the Wi-Fi. It could be a toggle switch labeled Enable Wi-Fi or something similar. Simply switch it off and then save your changes. Your modem might restart or apply the settings automatically, so give it a minute. And just like that, your Wi-Fi is disabled. To confirm, try connecting to your network wirelessly from a device. It shouldn't work. Remember, if you need Wi-Fi back, just follow these steps in reverse. One quick tip: disabling Wi-Fi doesn't affect your internet connection if you're using an Ethernet cable, so you can still stay online. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.